Hello and welcome to JTH Reviews. Today we're going to do a quick little glance at the Ram Box Stentorian. Now this is the one I got, and however, I mean it's alright, but this is a resin box. I thought I was getting stabilized wood. Either way, it as far as that goes, it's all, preference, but the box itself has held up pretty good. Had this for a few days now, and I slapped the APOC on top. Yeah, it's legit. So thus far, I've not really had any issues. I like it. For me, it seems to hit really hard. I had the Druga by Vape. That was a decent little one, especially for the price. You couldn't really beat that. It was like under 20 bucks. You got the Squonker and the RDA. Came with switchable pins. Make it however, do what you wanted. I liked it, don't get me wrong. The coating on it was great, but this, I don't have to worry about it flaking off. I don't have to worry about it getting crushed very easily. The Druga was nice as far as small, compact, and everything, and for the size of this, it's not that much bigger. It's I measured it, it's about like 12 millimeters this way on the width, and that's about it. Heights wise, it has like 6 millimeters, and that with that, you really can't complain. You can still take it, you can drop it into your pocket, you have no issue there. I've not had any problems with it thus far, and I'll do a full in-depth review because I've got a few of them coming up, and this one's going to be covered in it. For those of you that don't have one and you're considering getting one, thought about it, I recommend it. That's just, I recommend it. That's all I can say. You'll get it. Comes in box. There's your code. There's the Stentorian logo. Right here, you have all your specifications, every bit of it, everything that's in it. And yep, it does. It comes with 3, maybe. Let me see. Let me think about that. Yeah, I think it does. I think it comes with. Let's check it out. Let's see. All right. Yep. There's the inside. It's got a nice little pull for your battery. Slip right out easily. Good, very strong magnet right there. And it has this switch in it. Nothing. Turn it back. It works. Pretty strong magnet. I mean, as far as the fit and finish, really nice. The way I've found to do it best is put your top of your door in first, like so. Make sure everything's up there, and it pretty much goes into place. So there, you ain't got nothing. The fit and finish on this, really good quality. As far as that goes, I mean, you can't complain about it too much. Slight gap on the bottom, but like I said, as far as everything else goes, really nothing to complain about with it. I mean, it's a pretty good, sturdy, little box, not cheap plastic made. You know, its thickness is about oh I don't have my calipers in hand, but you know what? I'll do that. I'll maybe, you know, if people really like that, you know, tell me down below. Like, put that in the comments. So you know, yeah, I'm one of those technical types, and I like to know dimensions. You know, inside, outside, whatever. I'll do that. You know, I think there's quite a few people out there that do that as is, and you know, however, some you know, some people, they may not care for those individuals, especially after recent events. Yeah, you know, vape drama as usual, but I try to keep away from that because it's not something that's needed. You know, we don't need that in the community. You know, we just don't. Oh, probably wondering what happened to the, you know, where did my Druga go? Um, I don't know if I put it up yet or not. I traded up for the Asmodus Colossus 80 C80. The whole setup you see here. I got the Sense Heracles, and that I traded out. You know, I liked it, but however, it was real thin plastic, very light. You know, absolutely light. But I've already got a beater squonker that's, you know, cheap plastic, and if I drop it and bust it, yeah, whatever. This one, it's really seems to be very durable, and it's, you know, not. I don't think it's. I don't feel. I'll put it that way. I don't feel that it don't. You don't have that cheap feel in your hand. So the difference is that this one doesn't seem to get hot. Now that the Druga, it would get it'd get hot just a couple of pulls, and that was at probably zero point 0.2 build. Yeah, zero point 0.2 single coil, zero point 0.2 single coil. Yeah, it was very thin, you know, atomizer, so it would get hot. So you had to build up so that you didn't melt your box. So as far as that, you know, you get three of them. I could be wrong. I know it says, you know, 2-piece juice bottle, but you do get the box mod, and you get 3 bottles with this thing. 3 bottles. You get 3. You get the one that's in it, and you get the 2 I just showed you right there. Get those 2, and pull this out, and you're gonna see there's your manual and your card, and it's gonna, you know, flip through, find your language, English. That's what. So there, and that's it. I mean, that's what you get. You get 3. You know, I think it. As a matter of fact, I think well, Breezy. That's where this one came from, Breezy, and I'm pretty sure they got this on sale right now for, like, you can get it code CBD10, and you can try that on various sites, but that will get you under 20 bucks for the Stentorian Ram Box, and I recommend it. You know, that's just my opinion. So with that though, we're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna try to keep the videos that's, you know, just a glance, at a glance, and quick looks. I'm gonna try to keep them shorter. You know, I know not everybody wants to sit there and hear me ramble and stuff. Some of you do. I've not heard anybody in the comments say, you know, I enjoy it or dislike it or whatever. So that's what the comments are there for. You can speak your piece, and, you know, like I said, keep it clean, folks. I'm trying to keep my channel clean. You know, I want us to be able to, you know, if someone was sitting there with their kids running around and stuff, that they can watch a video and they don't have to put on headphones, you know, just for the fact that it's vulgar. So That's just me. That's my choice. That's what I want to do, and that's the way I want to keep my channel. So that's about it. There's another little look at it. Checking it out. You got you right there. You can see it. Ram. And there's the front. Well, side. Technically, I guess that's front, right? But you can see that it's got the knurling, and it looks good. It don't have a cheap look and feel to it. So now that right there is knurled, and then right here on your button, so that you can get a hold of it, and just a little twisty twist. So as far as that, this building here's 0.182, somewhere in through there. You know, does all right. Does all right. You know, there's a little bit, and so on that note, thank you for watching. I truly do appreciate it, and I'll have all the other links in the description. I'll try to throw the Breezy link down there, and if I can get it all set up, I'll get you right to the straight to the you know, one click and you're there. Remember CVD 10, and that will help you out not only on Breezy but multiple other sites, and do that, you know, do with it what you will. You can take it, use it, or yeah, that's your choice. So stop on back in and see me, and I'm gonna get on out of here because it's a hot day and I got lots of things to do. So on that note, JTH out.